Students of class 10th English Reader Chapter 1 The Enchanted Pool by C. Rajgopalachari. Chapter belongs to UP Board class 10th. In this lecture 5, we will come to know what happened to Yudhishthira and to his brothers when he gave the answers to Yaksha. Yaksha asked Yudhishthira 14 questions, and in this part 5th, in lecture 5th, you will see what was asked in question number 15. Let's begin with the part 8 of this chapter. In the end, Yaksha asked, O king, one of your dead brothers can now be revived. What do you want to come back to life? Thus the Yaksha put many questions and Yudhishthira answered them all. In this way, Yudhishthira keep on giving proper answers questions asked by Yaksha, one after another. At last, Yaksha asked, Hey king, I can give life back to one of your brothers. Who do you want to come back to life? It means, which brother would you prefer to be revived? To be revived means to come back to life. To give this answer, Yudhishthira did not think for long. It took Yudhishthira a moment to think. It means Yudhishthira took a very short time to decide, and then he wished that the cloud complexion lotus-eyed, and he decided to be revived. One of his brothers, Nakula. Why? Cloud complexion means whose complexion, the color of his skin was just like clouds. His eyes were like a lotus. Broad-chested means his chest was strong and broad. Long-armed Nakula, whose arms were strong and long. I mean to say, Yudhishthira demanded the life of Nakula back, who was lying like a fallen ebony tree. Ebony tree is a tree of which wood is black. Might arise. Yudhishthira wished that his brother Nakula should be revived. Let's see. In question number 15, the Yaksh was pleased at this and asked Yudhishthira. When Yudhishthira got happy on this answer of Yudhishthira, he asked one more question. Why did you choose Nakula in preference to Bhima? In preference to means in comparison to. In place of. The question was, what was the reason of Yudhishthira to choose Nakula in comparison to Bhima, who has a strength of 16,000 elephants? I mean to say, why did Yudhishthira not demand the life of Bhima back, whose strength is based on 16,000 elephants? Yaksha said that he had heard that Bhima was most dear to him. As is written here, I have heard that Bhima is most dear to you. Means, Yaksha said that he had heard that Bhima was most dear to him. And he wanted to know why he didn't choose Arjun, whose strength in arms is your protection. Means, his arms were the symbol of the protection of Yudhishthira. Tell me why you choose Nakula. And he wanted to know what was the reason of Nakula's revival rather than either of these two, in comparison of or in place of these two brothers. In the answer of this question, Yudhishthira replied, O Yaksha, Dharma is the only shield of man, not Bhima or Arjun. It means Bhima and Arjun will not go after death, only Dharma and the justice will go after death. And the demands of justice is that I should get Nakula get revived. If Dharma is given up, means if I leave Dharma, if I leave justice, man will be ruined. It means my account of life, my account of good deeds will be ruined. It means I will be full of sins. Kunti, the reason is of choosing Nakula, Kunti and Madri were the two wives of my father. It means I had two mothers. And I am alive, a son of Kunti. A son of Kunti means Yudhishthira himself was alive in form of a son of Kunti, and so she is not completely bereaved. It means one son of Kunti was alive, that's why Kunti was not in full sadness. In order that means so that the scale of justice may be even. It means to make justice well. He asked that Madri's son Nakula might be revived. In this written words, I asked that Madri's son Nakula may revive. I mean to say, that was the wish of Yudhishthira, that Nakula, the son of Madri, should be revived. Because in this way, both the mothers would have one son each alive. The Yaksha was most pleased with Yudhishthira's impartiality. It means the Yaksha who was taking test of Yaksha was most pleased with Yudhishthira and impartiality, and granted that all his brothers would come back to life. He became very happy with the answers of Yudhishthira and got all his brothers revived. It means give back life to all his brothers. It was Yama, the lord of death. In the end, this secret opened, and Yudhishthira came to know in reality that it was none other than Yama, the god of death, who had taken the form of Yaksha, so that he might see Yudhishthira and test him. It means because he wanted to test and to see Yudhishthira. In the end, Yaksha was pleased with Yudhishthira. Yama was pleased with Yudhishthira. He embraced, he hugged him and blessed him, and thereafter he disappeared. Dear students, in this way this chapter ends, and we will give all the answers related to the questions of this chapter. Keep on watching RSC classes of English language. Thanks.